Welcome back. If you are a business owner, this video is for you. If you are a business owner who has a retail unit and looking for a digital world, this video is for you. This is the third episode of Digital Entrepreneurship Journey. In today, in today's video, we will be looking at the differences between the traditional business and the digital business. So, what is the traditional business? As we discussed in last two videos, that you have a shop where you sell some stuff. For example, in this image we are looking at, this is a cloth shop. Someone is selling fashion bags, clothes, and there is a sale icon here, a sale label here. A sale is happening here. One person is buying, one person is selling. So this is a traditional business where people come to your shop and buy products of a physical store, and they buy a physical product. So the customer has to be there to buy this product. There is a lot of cost involved. We are talking about the difference between the digital business and the traditional business. So there is a lot of cost involved in traditional business, such as their high rent. You have to pay a rent for your shop. In some terms and conditions, the letting agent might be asking you a deposit for a couple of months, and this happens in the market. They might be looking deposit for whole year. They might be looking for like a contract for whole year. They might be looking for a deposit for first 3 months, first 2 months. There will be some rates you have to pay to the council. High rent, and then there is inventory. You have to spend money to buy your inventory. There is a cost for the decoration. So you have to spend a lot of money to decorate your business, decorate your shop, decorate your counter, your aisles, your hangers, your whatever stuff you have in the shop there. There's a glass windows. You have to decorate that as well. So there is a lot of cost involved in it. You have to hire more staff. You have to have staff in your shop who who can assist your customers, who can sell your products to your customers. When we look into the digital business, the whole shop is now in the digital world, which can be viewable on a computer, on a mobile phone, or on a tablet. So this is your storefront. There is definitely some cost on it. You have to build the website. You have to hire some web development company to build your website. You have to buy some stock images. You have to hire someone to capture the images, to make the photographs of your products, and then provide to your web developers. So there is a cost involved in it. You have to have some staff who can manage your website. You will be looking at some steps to do your digital marketing. We will be talking about every single step. So this video is just a comparison, just telling about like the differences. There are few problems or few restrictions. Let's say this is a shop and they have tons of things in this shop. They have to increase their stock, but they are limited because their space in the shop is limited. So they cannot have much stock. If the previous stock is not sold, they may not be buying the new stock. But when we look at digital platforms, when we look at the website, there is a scalability. If your website becomes too busy, you increase the hosting. So few differences here. Now the market reach. For the digital, let's say the traditional first, people have to come to your shop. We have been talking about the restaurant business in previous two videos or three videos, and we give examples of restaurant business. So a restaurant has a store. They have a board outside of the shop. People walk by and they watch or they see the board. A restaurant prints the flyer, or any other local shop, they print their flyer and they drop door to door in homes. So the people know about. So your market research reach is local market, or those who are traveling but they pass by your shop, they look at your business. But when we talk about the digital market reach, it's worldwide. Once you are on the website, once you have a website, your business is worldwide. You are no more local business. You can get orders from a different country if you decide to deliver to a different country. So your market reach is wider. Let's have a quick look at the traditional business. This is one customer has a trolley, is in the supermarket, and they are walking by one aisle. Let's play it again, and let me ask a few questions. How many items you can see on left and right? Did you notice this 75 in the first time when I played the video? Did you notice this 62? This is pricing for something. Do you know what's happening here? What are the products there? You have to go there. You have to go one by one in items to know what items are there. Let me go to the second video, which we have seen already in last video. So this customer, she came to the supermarket. She shown her interest in one item, picked it, but did not add into the cart. She put it back. Now she is showing her interest in a second item, but still not getting it. She is not adding into the cart. This is the traditional business. Do we have any tracking system where we can tell, okay, how many customer came and they looked at this apple, but they didn't buy it? Why they did not buy it? What we have to do, what sales funnel we have to create, or what funnel we have to create, or what offers do we have to create for customers that they come here and don't just take the product, look it, and put it back. But when we talk about the digital marketing, we have a lot of things in front of us. There are tons of tracking software which can track. Okay, so a customer lands to your website and then they are doing something. So we will be talking about all those things. Now, going back to the notion where we said that we will be writing our stuff, our notes. So today is my episode number 3, which is difference between digital and traditional entrepreneurship. And this is introduction and making comparison. And I said I will be recording this video by 16th, which is today, and then I will release it tonight. It will be published on the YouTube. So this is my basic steps for digital marketing. This channel or this video, I am promoting it. So one more what like most important thing I will mention here, which is key, that in traditional entrepreneurship, we you businesses market to people. Like we are printing our flyers and dropping door to door to the homes. So we are promoting or marketing our business directly to the people. But when it comes to the digital entrepreneurship, we are marketing our business to machines first, and then we are marketing to the people. And I will explain it what I mean by it. So let's say a person comes to your website, or let's say someone comes to the YouTube and enters something, look for something. YouTube or Google search engine, they will show the result. So if I go to the google.com and I ask for something, Google will show me something. How Google will show me those things? Let's say you are a restaurant business again, and then you say, okay, we are the best restaurant in your local area. And a visitor comes to that area and say, okay, best restaurant in this area. Google will show you few restaurants, but there may be another 50 restaurants. Google may not pick them on the first 3 or 4 links. How this happens there? This is called search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, yeah, correctly, yeah, SEO. Okay, so we teach the to Google our machines like this is our business. When somebody is looking for YouTube tutorial about entrepreneurship, show them this video. And there are other thousands of people who are using the same wording. So whenever somebody search these terms, the Google or YouTube will pick the best content, pick the best audio, video, or the title, or the blogs, or whatever it is there, whatever is the best information a person is looking for. it will show up there. So we have to teach machines first. So now I'm going to my website flow, which we talked about yesterday. And I said, like, every single block here will open up a new chapter. Let's do a quick comparison. Now, let's say you have a website and another side you don't have a website. So you are a traditional business and this block is a digital business. Someone comes to your shop and adds one item into the cart, and they have their cart full of 50 products, but they came to the checkout. For some reason they have to leave the shop. Whatever reason it is, they have to leave the shop. So they leave the cart there on the checkout and they walk out to the shop. Do you have any tracking system to track them? Call them, email them, or send them a person to their home? Oh yeah, your cart was there. Do you want to continue with your cart? No, you don't have any system in traditional business unless you know that person and you go to their home. Hey, you came to my shop. Okay. But when we talk about the digital marketing, we do have these options. So there are tracking systems, there are cookies, there the websites are the plugins or the software, whatever you call them. They track the people. Okay, now this person has products into the cart, they have abandoned the cart. Okay, so we have to send them push notification. Did we capture their data? We will come on there on that point as well. Next time this person comes to the website, the same website, and then your system shows them, yeah, you previously had some items into the cart. Do you want to continue with your shopping? Yes, continue. So you have some lead still sitting there. If they don't abandon the cart, they proceed to the checkout. But later they found out that they did not have money. This is the traditional business now, that they don't have money in their card or in their wallet. They have to leave the cart again, or online they had insufficient money in their bank account and they could not pay, or even the cash, online they pay by by order, by card. So still you have a lot of things to work with them. We will talk about the user journey and setting up the email software, setting up the push notifications. This will be in further in future videos. The next important video is, if you do not have a website, how can you promote your business? And we will start with Google My Business. We will start with social media, and there are tons of other ways that you don't have a website, or your website is under construction, or your website cost you $20,000 and you cannot afford it. What else can you do? So this will be for the next video. Thanks for today.